Bogor jaga panera TIPRA Motha lamso go. Juda party jaga panera buaran saklomo lamso go. Juda party jaga panera buaran saklomo lamso go. TIPRA Motha long live. TIPRA Motha long live.
48 Karamcherra begaste bai khobjak Damcherra village committee ni lukurok Swrangchati Juda Bodolni yakare Khungchi snini khorok ba chinei voter TIPRA Mothani Bana Romphaikha borokno TIPRA Mothani Bana yafre khabai khukbai lamsugui naharka TTAADC ni EM Suhel Dev Burma MLA Poldangsu MDC Direndra Dev Burma 48 Karamcherra TIPRA Motha Block President Obijit TIPRA YTA Block President Niren TIPRA
TTAADC ni naikongbai dini I Damcherra bisini 17 family 52 voters bok Juda party yakarai tini TIPRA Mothani Bana gofai bobagrana hamjagai bobagra bai samung khlaina hinai bok khuroi Juda party nangoi bok tini no joining thaika bogai
Bosak nukhungni bosak voters total
17 পরিবার 52 voters 17 পরিবার family 52 voters ino bok TIPRA Motha phai bok tuni Juda party ni phai ino bok bobagra bai logi samung khaina hinai karak bai kha kuhure phai bok na joining khabega
Jongke agi video tongmani no ke ani logo timi sadona phayo ke jongbo bobagrano hamjagui phaleimani asukno hamba
bo kamini ngai na rokhai
mai ja
bosak voter thaikano rok total tini
16 জন ro
Nini andar ni bisinti 16 jona
Acha TIPRA Mothani tamo samung tangbutang no kahamnu hurai tini norok TIPRA Mothani Bana no Romphaikha kalaikha
jong onek kisu YouTube rawono o inke chini bo ye bobishot ni bo ye samung khe moro no o inke abudi no jong naye no nu ge no jong bo khabaye phailemi no
Nini bumong
ai mung khe ritirong riang
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norogni bagai belekino kaham sep tobi faika St Joseph Hospital West Nobadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayung berni shakdok naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo sakdok naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki suti cough test khairni bagai namasak shep shap tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak shalo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai shakdok naifeyo tei abashimia o St Joseph Hospital lo talburum na chennai specialist doctor of phai orthopedic neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno kariba o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi shakdok najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni shakdok sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebashina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015, and from this humble beginning, over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital, providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month, second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha, St. Joseph Hospital, Agartala, Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital, Oro Kaham Treatment Ungo, Operation Facilities Rock Tongo, every month, Chennai ni specialist doctor Hayor treatment Kaipayo, Kubuni Hospital Login Sulai, Oro Kisha Rangbaino, Kaham Treatment Ungo, all types of investigation, blood test, X-ray, scan Ungo, 24-hour doctor facilities Tongo, Taibo Kaham Kaisai Manani Bagai, Tin Hospital of Hai visit Kalaimano, Hambai.